Marsha. I'm a student of Asian Maritime Academy. My topic for today is seafood export to China have seen at 14% decline during April to December of official year 2021. India accounts of nearly 6% of global fish production and largest producer of shrimp. In the previous fiscal year, India export was about 6,89,000 651 tons and a amount of $6.68. In the interview by the K.S. Srinivas, the chairman of the Marine Product Export Development Authority, had told that COVID-19 on the seafood sector, how it affected. Has the as the pandemic impacted the seafood export, could you have given an idea about the export of the current fiscal? The cumulative. Sir, ഒരു minute, ഒരു minute.
Yeah. Yes.
As the pandemic impacted the seafood export, could give an idea about the export in the current fiscal. The cumulative export during April to the December in the fiscal year 2020-21 has shown a decline of 20.554 percentage. In the volume was about 13.32 percentage in the rupee and 17.01 in US earnings. The next question was how was seafood export to China in the current fiscal report of the container being held in the Chinese port and the payment related. In value terms, the export of China have seen a 40% of decline during April to December, while volume has been seen lower of 36%. Strict COVID-19 scrutiny and additional scrutiny had delayed the movement of the container and also the payment also. Next question as was what are the status of sea caught fishes in the fiscal and multi year trend? During the last decade, the maritime fish landing are seen fluctuating 3.35 million tons in 2010 and 3.54 in 2012, 3.69 billion in 2019 was recorded. What about the acquisitions? Stream production has the farmed area and production increased year on year. Stream production in the previous year was about 6,52,662.42 tons and almost reaches the previous year's record. The next question he was asked was what about the value addition in seafood export during 2019-20 value added products export increased 12.06 percentage in term of quality compared to last year and value reduced almost by 6 percentage the value and the 4.14 percentage in term of US dollar. Next question was how far have gone in brand we won in branding Indian seafood and succeeded in supermarket sale. Indian seafood has presence in major supermarkets markets and restaurants in more than 100 countries. That's all my topic, sir. Thank you.